Hello, this is Crystal. As a freelance beauty professional, have you ever wondered why it seems like a constant struggle to get your beauty business off the ground and overflowing with paying customers and lots of product sales? Well, now you can with the Beauty Marketing Blueprint Training Program. What I'm referring to is a proven business system and business model that will show you how to structure your business for success, scale your business up or down on demand, automate specific time-consuming and costly tasks, monetize your valuable time to earn 2 to 4 times more, save time and money in marketing and operating your business, acquire 10, 20, 30, or more local paying customers per week, and much more. And you'll learn how to do all this through the step-by-step Beauty Marketing Blueprint training videos and program without needing any special connections, without spending lots of money, without wasting months of your time trying to figure it all out, and without any special technical know-how. In short, you'll learn how to create and implement a revenue-generating business and marketing system and incorporate a proven business model that will monetize your business to achieve targeted and spectacular results, building your business light years ahead of your local competition. For more details and information on how the Beauty Marketing Blueprint can change the course of your business and the course of your life, check out the next free video. Okay, I'll see you there.